If you want to add location information to your posts on x.com, also known as Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly how to turn that feature on in just a few steps. This is helpful if you want your posts to include location context when you share updates. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple social media tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More. This will open up additional menu options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps your account and posting preferences. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls a lot of your account privacy features. Now look for your posts and click on it. Inside this menu, you'll see posting-related options for your account. Find the option that says Add Location Information to your posts and click it. Once you open that setting, you'll see a toggle for Add Location Information to your posts. Turn that toggle on to enable location information for your posts. After that, your posts can include location details based on the setting you just activated. And that's it. You've successfully turned on location information for your posts on X. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.